Absolutely class that. 50 quid all day, Club Elise. Right, so we're just coming into Marmaris now. Massive thanks to Vsauce VIP for sorting us out the transfers. Otherwise we would have been stuck in Fethiye. So the boat's cancelled. So we're now in Fethiye with no Wi-Fi, no internet. So we're going to have to try and find a cafe, connect to their Wi-Fi, and see if we can get a Vsauce VIP to pick us up. And if they can't, then we'll have to go back into Hisronu or Chalish Beach or Ula Deniz and stay another night. But we've already booked our hotel in Marmaris. So Thailand, thank you very much, mate. I'm going to put the link for a Vsauce in the description of this YouTube. So if you are flying to Dalaman, Turkey, and you're looking for private transfer, get in touch with the Vsauce. But what a transfer. I think we'll just have to come back another day and get on that boat. Now it feels like we're all back to Star Apart. Hello. Tony Macaroni and İçmeler to pick up an electric scooter just so we can get around, and also it's the first time I've seen the latest copy of sunny Marmaris. Get a load of that. So straight to İçmeler and straight to my favourite restaurant, Conjurolu. Can I get a lamb shish?
Lamb shish.
Yeah, please. I can't wait for this. This has to be the #1 restaurant now in İçmeler. Yes, look at that. So we've got a pizza to share, we've both got a kebab each, and we've got a portion of chips to share as well. But the food here is insane. So this is a pizza with every topping, including olives. Get that olive off my pizza. Yoink. If these only sold pizzas, you would say it's an amazing pizza place, go there for a pizza, but because the kebabs are so good, the pizzas don't get the credit they deserve.
You want some of this on?
No, on your side. Let's go on, shall we put some chilli on? Keep that chilli away. Look at that fat. Best bit.
Or is it lamb? Or chicken? Lamb.
And then the bread at the bottom has just soaked up all the meat juices, making it the perfect bread. With some onions, parsley, lamb, bosh. Unreal. Like, I can't even describe how good it is. Get on a plane to Dalaman, come to İçmeler and try a Conjurolu. Any kebab, chicken wings, shish, doner, iskender, every one of them is 10 out of 10. Beautiful, thank you very much.
Hello, thank you.
This is one of the owners. The food is always incredible. Opposite Zane's Clothes is a newly opened restaurant this year, a takeaway restaurant called Doner and Baba Doner. Which way around?
And Baba Doner.
And Baba Doner.
And Baba Doner.
And Baba Doner, there it is on the menu. So when people are looking for bargains in Marmaris and İçmeler, people are saying the prices of food has gone up. Let me show you some of the prices here. So a chicken doner wrap is 150 lira. 150 lira for a chicken doner. 4, 8, 12, just under £4 that is for a chicken doner wrap. You can also get them in flatbreads as well. Chicken doner and rice, 250 lira. Half bread chicken doner, 150 lira. So the prices are cheap. You've got grilled chicken meatballs for 300 lira, which is about £7.50. Hamburgers, 200 lira, which is £5. Zane, are these served with chips? Hamburger, is it served with chips? Yeah, chips. So for £5 you can have a hamburger and chips. So when searching for food, there is cheap, quality food out there. You just need to find them. So look at this, Turkish bread filled with lamb. The only thing I ask for is no tomatoes. They also put pickle and chips in there as well. For under £4, that is a steal. Look at that, so a full meal, a doner wrap, proper Turkish homemade bread, packed with meat, which is less than £4 and just over a £5 with a drink. So Club Elise, our Elise stayed at before, but I want to know if you can get a day pass to all-inclusive without staying at the hotel. Let me just quickly show you this before I go to reception. There's a party out here. Hello mate, alright. Just want to ask, you know if you're not staying at the hotel, can someone buy a day pass or not? Oh, let's have a look. For security purposes, all visitors must report at reception. Ask on arrival visitors who wish to see their family. Kindly ask to report at reception. Entry. All-inclusive wristbands can be purchased for £50. Children 7 to 12, 25. 0 to 6, free. Very good. Look at that. So you can get a day pass at Club Elise for £50. So you could come for your breakfast, dinner, evening meal, plus drink all day. Party out there with these. For £50 a person. That is class. Love that, mate. Thank you. What was your name?
Hakan.
Hakan, nice to meet you, mate. Nice to meet you.
Hello from Lebanon. We are Lebanese.
We came because of you, thank you.
Searching for the passport, which is still missing. We've got a 2.5 hour drive to Fethiye because my passport gone. Passport finished.